nowhere to go. When I find myself on a nowhere road, you can bet that I'll keep on it till I see where it goes. Yeah, I've been told